എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇത് എൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് റിവ്യൂ ആണ്. ഇത് ഒരു മൺചട്ടി എന്ന് പറയാനൊക്കത്തില്ല, ക്ലേ പോട്ടെന്നും പറയാനൊക്കത്തില്ല. അതിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് മാതിരിയുള്ള ഈ പോട്ട് ഞാൻ ഓൺലൈൻ വാങ്ങിയത്, അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള റിവ്യൂ ആണ്.
So what's the problem with this?
No, this one yesterday I received from Shopee. I ordered two weeks ago, 1 week ago. I had to check my order, shipment order. Okay, idonu kanikku. Can I see this one? This one is the gift they give. Thank you gift, and they say feedback.
What is it?
And I thought they China.
So they didn't put Earthen for. What did they put?
Fork is very good to see. So I open. Okay, can
so
I open
this
up?
Just for
These are the air protection. Yeah, very good.
Oh, okay.
Packing is fantastic.
Okay, let me check out this. Can you put this aside?
Oh, they did a very good packing.
Okay, so you're happy with the packing?
Yeah, of course they are very good in packing. Even Japanese and Korean product, the packing is so fantastic.
Let's have a look.
So I didn't know the dimension. They never mentioned the dimension.
Oh, they did not mention the dimension, so you assume it was a big pot. Am I correct to say that? Okay, hold on. Let me just have a look.
Curry cooking, chicken or fish
curry cooking with
fish
this?
Curry, not with this. I thought, look at this picture. Can you show this one, please?
Okay, hold on. Let me take this out first. Oh, okay. So we can't do much with this.
Turn upside down.
Okay, so this is.
Your phone can check the dimension, right? Can you check the dimension?
No, later. Let me. Okay. Okay. So this is basically. This can only be used for. No, I mean it's for a very small amount. It definitely doesn't work with the family. It depends on what is it that you want to. You can cook Maggi mee or maybe some
than this, you know?
Pickle or something. Or very small. To make yogurt or what? I mean,
no,
that's.
But it's oven. What is written there behind? It's written there is oven lock, made in Korea. Oven lock means I can use in the oven, but it seems like I can get for the $18, $18.20.
$18 for this?
You asked me to go Japan shop, right? They do. Their packing is fantastic, man. No, show this side, please. I wanted to order the other color, blue, all these things. But
so you wanted this, lah? But they didn't show any dimension?
Yes, they never showed that. Look at this picture.
But I'm sorry, I don't understand. You said yes. When I asked you whether they did show the dimension or not.
No.
So they didn't show the dimension. Okay.
So can you see this picture? Look at the picture. It was shown something like this, so big, you know.
Okay. So now the problem is, this is of no use to you. At this dimension is no use to you. Basically what you need is something like this.
I don't know what dimension is there.
Yeah, but it's definitely bigger than this, because if you compare the size, this may be more appropriate for your cooking. Okay? Am I correct to say that this will be more appropriate for your cooking?
I hope so. I don't know what that one is, what size. Anyway, they put 30 size or 30 size.
Okay, so now do you want to, what do you plan to do? Do you plan to return this? Or do you plan to advise them to be more clear on the dimension?
If I return, what happens is that $18, I had to spend more than $5 for the packing.
Will they return the packing money to you also?
I don't think so. I don't want to return, and I don't know, but I will talk to Shopee.
It will be a hassle, but you can call them up and maybe you can talk. I find Shopee to be quite responsible in this matter, but perhaps we can talk to them and discuss what they want to do. As far as I know.
I'll check with them. Is it worth for $18 or
$18 is not worth for $18, but then again at the moment to send it back will not do you any good.
So next time don't order this type of thing.
No,
I feel like I always like touch and feel, you know, but I thought don't carry so many things.
And then I think their drawback is they have not given you a very clear dimension. Confirm, they have not given you a clear dimension.
No. She's the one help us to do the online ordering.
Okay, never mind. We will
stick to this.
We will stick to this, and then
it's like a button for me, you know. എൻ്റെ കുക്കറി ഞാനൊന്ന് വെക്കാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. ഈ കുക്കറിൽ ഞാൻ ഇച്ചിരി തേങ്ങ, ഇച്ചിരി മഞ്ഞൾ, ഇച്ചിരി പടവലങ്ങയും വാഴയ്ക്കയും കൂടെ മിക്സ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. വാഴയ്ക്ക എടുക്കണം. ഇത്ര എല്ലാം കൂടെ ഇട്ടിട്ട് കടുക് വറുത്ത് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. കടുക് വറുത്ത് എപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അതെടുത്തിട്ട് അതും ഇച്ചിരി ഉപ്പും മഞ്ഞളും ഞാൻ ഇച്ചിരി പെരിഞ്ചീരം ഇട്ട് ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടെ ഇട്ട് ഇതിനകത്ത് ഞാനൊന്ന് ഞെവടിയിട്ട് ഞാനങ്ങ് പെട്ടെന്ന് അങ്ങ് വേവിച്ച് അവിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ പോകും. ഒരു ശകലം വെള്ളം ഒഴിച്ച് അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അവിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഓക്കെ 5 മിനിറ്റ് കൂടുതലായി, 8 മിനിറ്റ് ആയപ്പം സംഭവം വെന്ത് നല്ല കുളകുളമായി. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ അടിയിലും പിടിച്ചിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഗുണമുണ്ട്. കണ്ടോ, അടിയിലൊന്നും പിടിച്ചിട്ടില്ല സംഭവം. വെള്ളമൊക്കെ ആവശ്യത്തിനുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, എല്ലാം വെന്ത്. വാഴയ്ക്കായും വെന്ത്, പടവലങ്ങായും വെന്ത് നിർത്തുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ സംഭവം കുഴപ്പമില്ല, പക്ഷേ സൂപ്പിനൊക്കെയാണ് തോന്നുന്നത് നല്ലത്. എന്തായാലും തീരെ ചെറുതാണ് സൈസും. Singapore dollar 18-20 for this size. I don't think it's a better worth buying, but the material and the item is good. Item is good. Good. Item is good in a sense that for cooking it is good, but it's not worth for the price.